back to my sheshed. I'm Bree, your creative ganja queen, and we're back for another travel vlog. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing, crazy trip to Forks, Washington, where the Twilight series was based out of. So I hope you enjoy this journey and camping and hiking and all the fun. This trip will always hold a special place in my heart, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. We're in bumfuck nowhere, Oregon, but it's pretty. At least bumfuck Oregon. Camping. Literally, look how cheap it is. We are 6 hours from destination. I broke a nail. I'm not trying to flip you guys off, but look at it. You can't even tell. It is bleeding under there, guys. I ripped it off. So, I don't know if you guys can hear, but there's a river down there. It's flowing. I have not even gone to look at it yet. Big, beautiful rocks are everywhere. It says you are beautiful just the way you are. Shine bright like a diamond. After we got everything set up, we followed this cute little path down to the river to fetch us some water that we could boil for our dinner. All the moss was absolutely breathtaking. The trees were ginormous and just so magical, and we were only in Oregon. After dinner, we settled down for some much needed rest for energy for travel day 2.
Yes. How many miles? 64. 64!
Till a push. These trees are insane. Wow, the ferns. Wow, holy shit. I never seen a tree so big. 5 miles left to the beach. Wow. So pretty. Yeah. It's a kind of medium to high level vampire threat today, guys.
I'm a werewolf. I ain't worried about it.
We in La Push, baby. Actually, we just left La Push, but you're so cute. What about the other way? How rude! Meyer sign. I wish I had pen to sign it. I want to see what the other side of this looks like. Okay, yeah, just as I thought. Yeah, Edward on one side and freaking Jacob on the other. With stickers. Back at the campsite. Getting the fires going to cook and have warmth. Then we'll cook in.
You better tell your friends about snipes.
Yeah, honey, you want to tell them about snipes?
Yeah, let's go.
I don't know if I have enough room on my phone for the story of snipes.
No, it's okay.
Stay tuned to the fucking Twitch next live stream to hear all about snipes. Also, this lantern is it. And our neighbor was so sweet and gave us some free wood. So, love that. Boom. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. That walk from the push was so difficult. Good morning. I passed out after dinner and the THC drink that I had, so I just woke up this morning and it came down here to the river and it's just so gorgeous. It's foggy. They weren't kidding about how foggy this place gets. And it's so breathtaking. It's so amazing to just wake up and be here. Like, it is just so beautiful. Wow, look at the fog up there. I found the path here. Kind of keeps going from the little spot we were. Clear the way. Spiders. This is wave my fucking arm. I don't know about this path, guys. Blackberries? Get out of here. None of them are ripe yet. People probably picked all the ripe ones. Oh god. These are so pretty. I wish I knew what they were. I have to be very careful for like snakes and such. But holy shit, guys, I found an opening. Look at those. After my little walk down by the water, I came back to camp and brushed out my hair and did a nice little skincare routine in the forest, which honestly, ever since I started doing this, which I did every single morning while we were there, it became one of my favorite little routines. The forest is so nice for doing your skincare. It's just so calming. It's a whole new vibe than I was used to. Someone's car alarm literally startled me, but I was able to finish my makeup and my skincare routine and wait for my wife to wake up so that we could have breakfast together. All I had left was to put on eyelashes and my dress, and I could have been running through the forest like Bella Swan right now. But as I was holding this lash in the tweezers and going, I guess I blew too hard because the lash escaped and it's gone. And now I am a sad bean because I really wanted to wear lashes. Did I ruin my own morning? A little bit. Smoking some peaches and cream from Crystal Clear. With the biggest mosquito. It's just trying to eat me. I decided to take one more beautiful walk through the forest while breakfast was being made to cheer myself up from losing my eyelashes before we hit the road.
That's on my playlist normally.
But it came on literally as we're leaving Forks. Woo! Seattle, here we come, baby! We're enjoying the marina in Port Angeles as we turn around because we have unexpected troubles and we're just gonna have to enjoy our time in Forks and go hiking. And I feel like this is just fate telling us that we were just supposed to enjoy this area. But yeah, we're gonna go back and enjoy our day and get some food made. It's not gonna spend any money, but we have everything we need. Sorry about the cars, the traffic, it's probably awful. I will see you guys back at camp. This is the FORKS swan home. There are 2 swan homes. This one, oh, look at, that's the same cardboard cutout that I have at home. Well, that I had growing up. A fucking Taylor in the window. Hi, we see you, yes. This is the same, that was the same one I had anyway. So yeah, this is a cute little sign. It says it's being remodeled. And it's now a very nice truck. Super glad that even though none of it was actually filmed here because it was based from their little town, they put the trucks here.
Yep, that's legit, because there ain't one on this side.
Yeah, hand right there. There he is. The one from my bedroom. He was at the Bella house and now here. This is so cute. Well, we're gonna put our pin, but I'm not gonna show you guys where our pin is. It's just somewhere in Nevada, so.
Or somewhere.
Put your pin. I got some fruit drops, peach mango, and they are made with a live resin, so super fucking good. They're by the Fat Panda company, and I've only had one so far, and they smack. Also, I used one lash, cut it in half, made 2 shorties. The things you will do. Oh my gosh, from back here, see, it looks fine. I'm going to eat some edibles so we have the fire getting started to make some dinner. And we're just gonna hang out here and look at the map and plan out our hiking for tomorrow. I realize I haven't really shown you guys inside of the Casa de Bree and Bree's wife. But this is our tent. I love that it's just like the teepee style tent's really easy to pop up, and we have this whole little side in here, like an inner tent for the tent, so that we have no bugs where we actually sleep in there. And yes, excuse our mess, but we have our wood because we're in a rainforest, our food bag, and our cooler and all of our food and stuff. But yeah, this is like actually stand up in here. And when we have the stove that we have right here, it actually like works to heat up the tent, but we're not using it because it can get super warm in there super quick. Oh my goodness.
They look like rooms.
They do look like rooms. Yeah. Got the food cooking. Chicken and dumplings is dinner tonight. Oh, I don't want it to stick to the bottom, so I'm gonna pull it off the heat. But yeah, this is our dinner this evening. Just gotta finish cooking and it'll be ready. Nom nom. After a delicious dinner, we walked down to the water to check out the river and fetch some more water for the rest of the week that we could boil and use.